To a primetime news update now, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, has confirmed that it has begun investigations into the illegal selling and removal of sand from Parity in St. Elizabeth. The move follows a TVJ News story on Monday where concerned residents appealed for intervention on the illegal practice, which they stressed was putting them at greater risk of flooding. Huge piles of sand were dumped into homes and onto roadways in the community during the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October last year. And residents say some of their neighbors have been selling it. They say it's worsening flooding from the sea and the pond and making it hard for persons trying to rebuild following the hurricane's devastation. Speaking with TVJ News, Black River Mayor Richard Solomon said sand mining in any form is unacceptable.
Sand without the proper assessment can lead to ecological impact, which can be catastrophic down the road. So we're asking and we are encouraging persons, if this is so, they must cease and desist immediately. I've reached out to the superintendent of police and also NEPA for them to do an investigation into the matter and to provide some necessary guidance as to how we approach the whole sand erosion and sand buildup that would have taken place after the hurricane.